Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to create WhatsApp message shortcut on your mobile phone. So okay guys, here in your WhatsApp homepage, so you can see the message here. So if you want to add this message on your WhatsApp shortcut, okay, you'll have to do is press and hold the message. And after that, after the message is have a check mark, you'll have to do is go to three dot on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, you can tap this and the pop-up are show. Okay, now you can see the add chat shortcut. You can tap this and the pop-up are show. Okay, now add home screen this message. So you can tap the add button to add this message or WhatsApp message shortcut to your mobile homepage. And okay, you can go to your mobile homepage to see. And that's it. We have successfully create the WhatsApp message shortcut to your mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.